Hi guys, this 3 exercise I'd like to show you today will help you to keep your body posture when you're pedaling on the board or in a transition when you're ready to get up on your feet. All right, so what do we want here? When we're laying on the board and pedaling, we have to be able to keep the upper body high, right? To see what's in front of us, what's on our left, our right, and even what's behind us. Okay, and when we're paddling, we want to have that good shoulders mobility. So first exercise, we start here laying down on the floor. Keep your legs relatively relaxed, but tuck your bum, tuck your pelvis, project your pubic bone down to the floor and squeeze your buttocks. So we keep that area of the lower back nice and flat, protecting it from overextending. All right, roll your shoulders, bring them down from your ears, elongate and extend your upper thoracic part of the spine and neck. Look forward, keep your chin up, keep your chest up, like you were having a flashlight in your sternum bone, and you want to project that light far forward in front of you. Nice. Keep your elbows close to your body. Press off your hands down to the floor. Lift your body up. Right? Extend as high as possible. Squeeze your back muscles and hold this position, lifting your hands off the floor. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. All right, one more time. Hold the sequence. Keep your legs straight down on the floor. Don't over-tense them. Don't lift them off the floor. Keep your pelvis tucked. So this area of the lower back flat. Roll your shoulders. Place your hands down to the floor. Extend and elongate your spine. Don't collapse your neck. Try to keep it nice and open, though lift your chest up. Press down to the floor, lift your upper body up, up, up as high as possible. Squeeze your muscles of the back and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. This is the first exercise. 5 or 6 repetitions of that will be really good for you to train strength of upper body and mid-body muscles. Although, for our upper body and mid-body muscles, we have to be able to, by squeezing them, we have to be able to elongate our front parts, right? Our pectoral muscles. So this is one more exercise. The next one is just stretching for your pecs, right? We're stretching this front part of our chest and shoulders to be able to squeeze and really train that strength of upper body and mid body. Second exercise is scorpio stretch. We're laying down here on the floor, keeping legs relatively relaxed. One arm is going to be straight. We press down gently through the whole arm down to the floor, palm down, palm slightly lower than the shoulder line. The other arm bent, and we press down through the hand and help with the leg to turn our torso towards the straight arm. Turn your head, look up or over your upper shoulder. Breathe deep and nice. What you can also do here to maximize the stretch is to press that shoulder down to the floor, the shoulder, the straight arm. If you want more rotation, bring that upper arm closer to your body, push, rotate more, let your sternum bone turn towards the ceiling. Stay here for a good 20 or 30 seconds or 5 or 6 breath cycles. Inhale, exhale, and come back. Nice. We're going to switch side. One arm straight, palm slightly lower than your shoulder, other arm bent. We press down to the floor, help that rotation with our leg. Rolling towards the straight arm, pressing down the shoulder of a straight arm to the floor, pushing with the bent arm, rotating head up, look up or even over the upper shoulder. Rotate your chest, stay here, breathe. You can feel it in your shoulder, you can feel it in your chest. And come back. Nice. I really like to do these 2 exercises as a superset. So one is helping me to open my front part of the body, front part of my shoulders and chest, and the other one is for strengthening muscles of upper back and mid back. So they're really good going together. 5 or 6 repetitions of thoracic extension with isometric hold on top, and 20 or 30 seconds of scorpio stretch in between. And one more exercise here, which will help you with shoulders mobility, especially. It's a wall clock. So now we're in 12 o'clock with our straight arms, palms towards each other, thumbs are up, straight up. So here's not only arms and shoulder position and movement important, but also engagement of the core is super important. So what I'd like you to do with your core is to squeeze. So lift that pubic bone up towards the navel and put those low ribs down, like really sink them into your stomach. So hold that braced position for all the time. Do not arch, do not extend your rib cage, right? So what we really want to move here is our shoulders within your possible range of motion for now, okay? So 12 o'clock position, roll your shoulders down, create that huge space in between your ears and shoulders, bring them down, squeeze and embrace your core, keep your elbows straight, your chin can be down on the floor or it can be slightly up, lifted up. Right? Don't collapse your neck, don't squeeze your neck, elongate that spine in the neck. All right, lifting off the floor, both arms, try to lift them up till the ears level. If you cannot, that's okay, but don't let your rib cage open, okay? So we don't want to move the rib cage, super important. We want to move shoulders, only shoulders. So lift, hold for 2 seconds, lift, hold for 2 seconds, lift, hold, come down, lift, hold, come down. 5 to 10 repetitions here. What can you do to improve this exercise is to rotate your thumbs out all the time. So I'm rotating my thumbs out, keeping that space in between my ear and shoulder open. All the time. Now this rotation helps open shoulders. 1, I'm hold on top for 2 seconds, down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. And 5. Good. Second position is like you were in 2 o'clock and 10 o'clock, okay? 2 and 10, or 10 minutes to 2, something like that. Okay, so 45 degrees, same here. Engage your core, keep it nice and tight all the time. Rotate those thumbs out that help with the external rotation in the shoulder. Keep your elbows straight, lift, hold for 2, down. 1, 2, 3, down. Hold, 2, 3, down. Hold, 2, 3, down. Keep your back flat and straight, down, and rotate your thumbs all the time. Nice. And third position here is 15 minutes to 3, or T position, 90 degrees. So everything the same. Lift, squeeze your shoulder blades together, go down. Lift, shoulder blades together, go down. Don't forget to rotate those thumbs out. Squeeze, come back down. 2 more, squeeze, come back down. Keep your core engaged, squeeze, come back down, and that's it. All right, that was a floor clock for your shoulders. I hope you guys do it well and keep following these exercises for your better pedaling and posture on the board.